Hey guys, Brent here from Brent's Review. Just want to let you know I just got in my hand the all-new Galaxy S24 Ultra. This thing, I've been waiting. I got it, I think, a couple of days early, but I wanted to let you guys know I'm going to be unboxing that and why you should always pre-order. You get the best deals possible for pre-orders. Let me show you why. So this again is why you should pre-order. I got for myself the all-new Galaxy S24 Ultra. I got the 1 terabyte. Along with this, I got 2 screen protectors because of what I did purchase. I got this leather case. This one here just has a cutout for the back. And then this one here is the S-View wallet case. And then I also got a 45-watt power adapter kit here. I got all this with my pre-order, because Samsung was giving $150 off plus the upgrade in memory and my trade-in on my phone. So again, to pre-order, I got all this with the pre-order, and I just got it today. Today is January 26th. And with that, I also got my wife one as well. So we got the smart tags. We got her a screen protector. We also got her a case for it as well. And then she got the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So this is why you pre-order, guys, for that specific reason. Got all this here on the pre-order. Hers was a little light because by the time I ended up talking to her and seeing if she wanted it, it was a little bit later in the day, and a lot of things are out of stock. So when they're out of stock, you don't get everything that you really want to get. So again, pre-orders from that. So I'm going to be unboxing this for the first time here. I'm going to open this up here. Actually, just cut that off there. Cut that off right here. Make that really easy so it's brand new. Going to open this up here. Got your information here. Got a cord here for you. And then I got the titanium blue. It's still cold right out of the package. And there you go. Look at this thing. Just open it up out of the box. It's very nice. Aluminum sides here. S Pen. S Pen seems a little on the shorter side. I currently have the S22. I will be trading that in. But this is the phone. This is very nice. Look at this edge. Edge here is straight across on here. I don't know if you can see that, but very excited to be unboxing this for the first time. So just got this first up, powering it up for the first time. Again, back of the cameras look a little bit thicker from what I'm used to. And we'll start the process. But anyways, guys, I will have more details on this. I just got this in my hands today. Again, it just came off the UPS truck, and I am starting to get the order, starting to get the phone going. Guys, once again, this is why you do a pre-order. You get the phone, and you get all the extras here. I mean, I can't even hold everything in my hand on what I ended up getting with the pre-orders. So pre-order sales are the best things to do, especially if you're waiting to get a new phone. So I will have more upcoming videos. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe or like the button. Keeps me going. Know that I'm doing something that you guys like. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.